So this video is going to show you how to use Wakelet. Once you create your account with Google, you'll be brought to your dashboard, which is this area here. You're going to start new collection, and it will create a Wakelet for you. So a Wakelet is sort of like a wall. Think of it like Facebook or Twitter, the way you kind of just put sections here. So let's say you're going to do this Wakelet about dogs. And you want to add a description, you can. So now you can look for a cover image. You can upload an image that's already in your drive, or you can choose one. So I'm going to choose. And you can go through all of these images and see. I'm going to see if there is one for dogs. And there it is. So let's say I'm going to focus on this one. And once you have your cover image, you can scroll down. So now the things that you can add are, you can add something from Twitter, you can add an image, you can add a file you have, you can add a PDF, which is a document usually, or text. So if you want to start off by adding text, you're going to explain maybe what this is about. So this is my first section about dog behavior. And you'll save that. And think of each section that you add. So now what do you want to add there? Do you have a link about dog behavior? Do you have an image about dog behavior? Do you have a paragraph or a PDF file? So the next part is depending on what you want to add. So maybe you have a link to a website that can tell you about dog behavior. So I'm going to over here and search dog behavior. And common dog behavior issues. I'm going to say that this site is what I want. I'll copy that URL. And then I'll paste it here. And now you have a link to this site. Now what do you want to put next? So every time you add a section, you have these same options, and you sort of just kind of put them along the wall here about what you want. Okay? When you're ready, in this program you have to save. It doesn't always automatically save. When you need to share the link for this Wakelet, okay, I saved it, kind of kicks me out, so I got to go back to Edit Collection. And when you're in the editing mode, when you're ready, when it's done, you want to change the visibility to public, because otherwise nobody can see it. So once you click on public, then you have to publish it. Okay, once you publish it, now when you scroll down, you can share. So you need to share it. Here's the link to share. So you're going to copy it. And then you're going to send this link wherever you want. So if you're sending it to me, you would save it in Classroom. If you're sending it to somebody else to view, you would put it wherever you're going to put it for them to view it. And that's basically how you create a Wakelet.